Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So my wife has been driving her car and she said the service engine soon light came on right here. So I'm going to scan her car and figure out what's going on with it. But it drives normal, it feels okay. I don't think there's a misfire or anything. Maybe an O2 sensor is bad, but we'll go ahead and scan it and we'll figure it out. All right, so we're about to scan the G37. Use this scanner, Centec. This is from Harbor Freight. And there's a barcode right here. So this is kind of older. I bought this years ago and I use it for a lot of our cars. Let's go ahead and scan it. So go ahead and open your car door. So it's a little tricky to see. Right. You see the OBD 2 port right here? So if you're looking from the driver's seat, it's right under here. Right, let's open up our scanner, and we need two things. So the scanner right here and the cord. So this plugs into this side. And it only goes in one way. So put it in and screw it tight so it doesn't fall out. This other side, take this and plug it in to that port. And it only goes in one way as well. There we go. And then your system automatically turns on. But what we want to do is go ahead and turn the ignition for the car on. So I'm going to put this in. There we go. And we're going to press the start button one time. And I'm going to press it again because I want the lights on the dash to turn on. Ready? Press it again. Okay. Now we go back to our system right here. Hit enter. Diagnostic. Erase data, so hit enter. Codes found. So there's one code. Press any key. Read codes. So we're gonna hit stored codes, hit enter. Catalyst system efficiency below threshold. So that's the code 0420. I believe that's O2 sensor or the cat. Let's see. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out what's going on with this. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and clear the code and see if it pops back up. Escape. Escape. Go down. Erase codes. We're gonna hit OK or enter. Erase trouble codes. Are you sure? Hit enter. Erase done. Press any key to continue. So we're gonna hit. Now I hit escape. Exit test. Hit enter. Okay, and now what I do is I go to my car, press the engine off, there. So now it's back off, take the key out. Okay, now the codes are cleared. Turn the power off. Okay, so I press the power button and then now I'm gonna unplug this. There. And turns off. Put this back in the case. So now we have the error code. We're going to research it to figure out what's the most common issue with that error code, that throws that error code. And then I'll order parts and we'll get the G fixed. But let's go ahead and start the car and see if the code pops back up. Maybe it was just a fluke. And sometimes the engine runs a little rich and the sensors are a little sensitive. Maybe the O2 sensor was sensitive and it throws the code. But if it pops back up, I'm definitely going to get it fixed. We kind of want to make sure there's no check engine lights on this car. We're going to start it and see if we have any check engine codes. So I'm in the car, I'm holding the brake right here, down here. Press the start button. Okay, so I cleared the check engine light. Let's close the door. Alright. Check engine light's off. I'm gonna see if the check engine light pops back up. But that's basically how you scan for a code and clear a code on a Infiniti G37. Alright. Well, stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching DIY with Dewey. Please subscribe.